In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install UltraViewer. So first open up a browser, type in download UltraViewer, click on the first link. It should be ultraviewer.net. Click on the exe download installation option, and now just save it anywhere. Wait for the installation, and then open it. And now this should start the setup. Just click next, 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 install, and that should start the installation, and just wait for it. And once it's done, you're going to see this launch UltraViewer. Make sure this is turned on, and once you click finish, it's going to launch just like that. And yeah, if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.